Hello students, welcome to the session on DBMS. In our today's session, we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of distributed database management system. In our earlier session, we have discussed the advantages of DDBMS, and once again I want to repeat you people the definition of DDBMS. If you are okay with that particular definition, pause the video and write the definition and then continue with the disadvantages. Okay, if not, we will revise that in this particular video. Just see the definition that we have discussed earlier. That is, distributed database system is a system where you people will be distributing the database among the different kind of networks or systems which are available in the computer networks. Means to say that we will be having different kind of systems which are located in different locations physically, but they are connected to what? Computer network, as you can see in the picture. Okay, this is a computer network where these all systems are connected to one another by the communication medium called computer network. So every database will be distributed among the different kind of systems. Here the site 1, site 2, site 3, site 4 will be considered as the computer where it will be storing the databases. See, it may be a single database, it may be a different kind of databases, but they are distributed among the database. We are distributed among the computers, but we are not storing that at one server. Okay, so this is what the distributed database is. Generally, centralized database system, what it will do is it will be storing the database in only one system and it will be serving the remaining clients. But in this distributed database management system, we will be picking up all the systems which are connected to the computer network and we will be distributing the database among themselves so that it can survive and it can give the service to the clients, those who are requesting for the data. Okay, now let me go for the disadvantages. Already we have discussed about the advantages, mama. I hope it is clear to you people. In yesterday's session itself we have discussed about the advantages among the distributed database management system. Means to say that when you are going for the distributed database, we will be having these many advantages. Okay, and now whenever we are having the advantages with the system, we will be having the related disadvantages also. Okay, so now let me go for the disadvantages when we are using DDBMS. Okay, so that you will come to know what are the benefits and what are the demerits of DDBMS. Okay, this is the slide where it is explaining the disadvantage. Okay, the first and foremost difficulty that we are finding in DDBMS is complexity of management and control. As you people know that we will be having different elements, different computers which are connected to the network. If say suppose one system is failing or as the computer network getting failed, then we won't find the complete database in one place. So maintaining of this DBMS will become tougher when we are going for the distributed database. So this is what the difficulty that most of the users, those who are using DDBMS, will be getting it. Okay, now the second one is security. As I have already told you people will be having the different systems now. Every system will be having its own security levels, and according to the security levels only you people will be giving the databases. So we'll be not having a common security in which we will be storing the database in order to have a secure data. Okay, that is what the different kind of issue. Okay, and see, one more issue is lack of standards. This is also related to that point only, but because every system, every network will be having its own standards in order to provide the security towards our data. Okay, and increased storage requirement. See, how many computers you are having in a network, every computer should have the capacity in order to store the database. That is what the storage requirement is. Okay, it should have some storage requirement in order to store that particular database, and it will be serving the clients when you are storing the database onto them. Okay, greater difficulty in managing the data environment. Every computer will not have the same environment in order to retrieve the data, in order to serve the data to the clients that they are connected in the network. I hope you are getting my point. If it is a little bit faster, just slow down the video and watch them neatly. If it is possible, make a note of all these points so that you will be understanding them in an easiest manner. Okay, Seema, why I am getting faster in this particular video is already we have discussed the advantages. In that advantages only, we are having few things which should be noted while we are using the DBMS. They will become your disadvantages. That is the reason I am getting little bit faster in this particular video. Okay, I hope you are getting it right. And the last point that we are having is increasing the training cost. See, every system which is connected to the network will be handling the database. So all the computers which are handling the DBMS, all the computer which are handling the DBMS or as the database that has been stored at that particular system should be trained. Those users should be trained, those clients should be trained, so that they will become the servers when they are requesting for the data. These are the most common difficulties that you could find in your DDBMS. Okay, these disadvantages can be given in this order also. Okay, see, difficulty in complexity of management and security, lack of standards, no compatibility, increased storage requirement, multiple copies of the data are required in different sites. See, this is the point where you people will be dealing with the redundant concept. Means to say that every system is having the database. Sometimes we don't know whether it has been stored at that particular system or not. So say, consider if this system is storing, if this system is storing some DBMS, then it should be known by this particular system. If not, it will also store the same data, so that will become a little difficult in order to store the devices, in order to manage the storing devices. Okay, and increase training cost, as we have discussed just now. Okay, make a note of all these points, it may come for 4 marks. It won't come individually. They may ask you people to write the advantages and disadvantages of DDBMS. I hope you are getting my points. If not, just make a round onto these particular slides and send it to me in the message format, so that we will discuss it once again, so that you will be having a clarity onto the DDBMS. Okay, I hope it is clear to you people. If there is any doubt, just let me know. Okay, I will be placing the important question for your RDBMS in your group, so that follow them. If you are having doubt, if you are having any time, just do the practice for those particular important questions. Okay, so that it will be helping you in the external examinations. I hope it is clear to you people. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Thank you.